There's a certain tangible excitement that precedes any trip to Disneyland.
What?
Where are we going tomorrow?
California.
What's there?
I'm trying to remember.
There's that excitement.
Hi.
Hey, we're just starting our trip to Disneyland.
No, we started it yesterday.
The park is about to open. People ahead of us are moving towards
Really slowly,
the ride.
They have no idea what they're doing.
And we're going to have the hell out of this day,
The
right?
hell. Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was just a picture. We're in the land of automobiles.
Are you enjoying your trip to the Disneyland park?
Yes, I'm enjoying this trip quite a lot.
What have we done so far?
We've eaten croissants and we've stood in line twice. This is the video, isn't it?
Yep. What are we waiting for?
Screaming in California.
How old were you when you first rode this?
10, maybe? Dad doesn't know. Neither do I. Nobody knows.
This is the best ride. I love it. I love how it goes up and then down and then up again and then down.
Yes,
We're having the best time ever.
the best.
We've already ridden 2 rides and it's not even 10 o'clock.
We rode 3.
We rode 3 rides, including
Don't let
the up and down and round and round.
the fishy carousel is the best ride. How dare you discredit it like that?
Do you want to do Mulholland Madness while we're here?
Hell yeah.
All right.
It's not called that anymore, Dad.
Oh, right. It's called something else, but it's the same ride.
It's the same ride. Wrong. Dog.
Dog.
I just realized there's another roller coaster that we have to ride here.
Oh, what is that?
The Heimlich's choo-choo train.
That's not a roller coaster.
We heard that there was this tower here, but it ain't there anymore. Why is it like this? Nobody knows.
You know why.
I know why. Baby Groot. I blame Baby Groot for this.
We're going to ride Heimlich.
I lied about the fishy carousel. This is the best ride. It goes forward.
That sounds good. And it's got smells.
And Heimlich the caterpillar.
My stomach is so empty. Help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go.
We are going. So bad Heimlich something to eat. What is it, like 10 in the morning?
Standing one from the vegetable.
Are we in the frame?
Now we are.
We're backlit, of course. We're going over there, Disneyland.
Over there. Across the way.
Where's the shortest line?
Christ, we don't know.
Where's the fastest?
Hey,
We having fun?
I am having fun, yes. What are we gonna do here?
We were going to go to the Haunted Mansion, I think.
Haunted Mansion! I'm hungry. I like eating popcorn.
Do you think that Spanish moss is real?
The what?
The Spanish moss up in the trees.
I thought you said Santa Claus.
No, Spanish moss. That's what that is.
Nah.
You think it's fake? I mean, it might survive in this climate. It's Florida thing.
Fair enough.
What's your favorite ride so far?
Ariel's Grotto.
Ariel's Grotto was the best ride.
The best ride.
It tells the story of a young girl trying to gain her independence.
No, it tells the story of a father who's overprotective and learns to let go of his daughter and let her make bad decisions. things I know about Splash Mountain. It's a mountain, and there's big thunder.
Here comes another one.
How is Splash Mountain?
My take on it is that my hair is wet, my arms are wet, and my legs are wet.
Yeah, but the line was short.
The line was short. Let's go get space food.
Okay. There's chicken Walker nuggets, yeah, that's what you want. But I'm probably gonna get a hamburger. On the dark side.
BB crisp Rice treat. They're not Rice Krispies. They're not. God damn it, I want fries. In my mouth. Right now. What are you doing? Is that a video or a photo?
It's a video.
Oh, okay. I got it. I like these fries. You want to play tag?
Ooh, I can't play tag on that.
It's a beautiful game.
That doesn't make any sense.
It's a beautiful game, Dad.
This is good enough.
This isn't a moon. It's a space station.
Have we ridden the Matterhorn yet?
Yes.
We have not ridden the Matterhorn.
Disneyland. That's where we is. This is what it's like. Walking in lines.
It's a small world.
Is it?
It's a big line.
Is it? Is it truly? What is real? What is life?
Real? When did we start this line? Like 2:25?
Yeah, something like that.
It's 2:52 now.
That's nice.
And we're about to enter the actual line.
Woo!
That is not how you do that.
I don't know how to zoom in this camera, okay?
Yuck.
My pizza has not landed on the ground.
Well done.
My hand just got 3rd-degree burns though, so.
Ouch. We're enjoying a quiet afternoon in Disneyland. We're waiting for our fast passes to be valid on Roger Rabbit.
Or are we?
We have 10 minutes left.
We have nothing to do for 10 minutes. What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
Give me a fisheye lens over here.
Yeah, fish eye lens, all right.
Fisheye lens. Do a skate video with a couple of friends. It goes womp Ears. The sun has set, and you know what that means.
Time for Pirates of the Caribbean.
Time for pirates.
Posted wait time is 40 minutes.
Yep. It's a big boat on a river. It don't move.
Standing in line for Peter Pan was like standing. This is like running.
This is running.
Oh,
And
it stopped.
cha-chunk. It's gonna start moving again in like 5 seconds.
What you got there?
A broken Death Star. It doesn't. Does the button even do anything anymore? The button does nothing. Wait, no, the button broke it. I don't know what this has become. It's the best broken.
It has a built-in weakness. We know that.
It has a built-in weakness. The joke is we just watched Road One. What are you doing? Hi.
How are you enjoying Disneyland?
Am I enjoying Disneyland? Yes. Yes, I am. I'm enjoying Disneyland.